Malama is to cherish and protect the reefs, the fish, the birds, the winds, and the land. I love showing people how to Malama aina, teaching people how we protect and cherish our lands.
This area is actually a wetland, but because of the diversion of the water, it's pretty dry now. So our main goal is to restore the habitat to what it used to be, so all the native birds in the area that come down have a place to live.
Doing a great job, bro, but you missed the spot.
Hala is what we're planting today, and also the ones that look like coconut palms over there are lo'ulu.
The work that we're doing, it's like foundational work, helping native plants thrive and also replanting native plants.
There we go. Good job.
This right here is Waihee River, the ahupuaa of Waihee.
In Hawaiian culture, ahupuaa is the unity between mountain and the ocean. When rain comes, it feeds down from the top into the lo'i, where people plant kalo, and then from there it gets diverted back into the river and into the ocean.
And it makes the ecosystem a lot more abundant.
If you say you love or enjoy Hawaii, you think it's beautiful, you can also contribute to help to keep the place beautiful. And if you have a part in that, that's something that lasts generations. If my ancestors have been doing this for generations, it has to work for us.
Learn how you can Malama Hawaii at gohawaii.com/Malama.